Hello students, welcome to physics definition series of Swapna physics classes, and this is our 10th definition, which is instantaneous velocity. This instantaneous velocity is nothing but the velocity at instant time t. For example, మనం జనరల్గా చూస్తుంటాం కదా నియర్ బై స్కూల్స్ మనకి బోర్డ్స్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. స్కూల్ జోన్ ప్లీజ్ గో స్లోలీ అని చెప్పేసి, అవునా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, a car is going in front of a school. Okay, a car is going from in front of a school, and the speed of this car is 100 meters per second towards north అని ఎందుకు అన్నా అంటే మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ అంటే స్పీడ్తో పాటు మనం ఇక్కడ డైరెక్షన్ మెన్షన్ చేసామనుకోండి, అదేమవుతుంది, వెలాసిటీ అవుతుంది. Okay, that means it have magnitude as well as direction, therefore it is known as velocity. Okay, so whenever this car is going from in front of the school, what happens, the driver needs to apply brakes. కార్ యొక్క స్పీడ్ డిక్రీజ్ చేయడానికి బ్రేక్స్ అప్లై చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ 60 meters per second కన్నా ఎక్కువ స్పీడ్తో ట్రావెల్ చేయకూడదని బోర్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవునా? సో 60 meters per second at this particular instant of time. For example, he is going from in front of the school at 2:30 p.m. At this particular time, the velocity of the car is 60 meters per second, right? This velocity is known as instantaneous velocity. Okay, ఒక పర్టికులర్ టైం దగ్గర నీకు ఉండే ఈ కార్కి ఉండే వెలాసిటీని ఏమంటాం, ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ వెలాసిటీ అంటాం. Okay, this tells us how fast an object is moving at a different instance of time. Okay, at 2 p.m. the velocity of the car is 100 meters per second towards north, and at 2:30 p.m. the velocity of the car is 60 meters per second towards north. Okay, so at this particular instant of time, the velocity of the car is known as instantaneous velocity. Okay, and it is given as v equals to limit of delta t tends to 0 delta x by delta t. Delta x by delta t is nothing but average velocity. It is a average velocity. Whenever this delta t, that is nothing but time interval, whenever this time interval tends to 0, that is approximately equals to 0. Okay, whenever the time interval, that is t2 minus t1, is approximately equals to 0 or tends to 0, then this average velocity we have is known as instantaneous velocity. Okay, now for example, initially the car at t1 is traveling with velocity 100 meters per second. Finally, it is moving with 60 meters per second. The car is moving with the speed of 60 meters per second and in the direction of north. If the time interval, that is the difference between t2 and t1 is approximately equals to 0, what happens, we will come to a పర్టికులర్ టైం. మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, ఇది అప్రాక్సిమేట్ 0 అయింది అనుకోండి, మనకి టైం ఇంటర్వెల్ అనేది ఉండదు, ఒక పర్టికులర్ టైం అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైం దగ్గర కార్ యొక్క వెలాసిటీ ఏంటో దాన్ని ఇన్స్టాంటేనియస్ వెలాసిటీ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ వెక్టార్ క్వాంటిటీ. And the SI units are meters per second. Dimensional formula is m power 0 L power 1 T power minus 1. Okay, and here I will end our lecture, and whoever didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and also share with maximum number of people. Okay, bye.